At Manassas Plumbing Pros, we're here for you whenever plumbing issues pop up. Whether it's unclogging drains, detecting tricky leaks, or fixing a broken water heater, our team has you covered. We can handle pipe repairs or help when your shower acts up. Toilet giving you trouble? We fix that too. Plus, we repair sump pumps and garbage disposals without hassle. Serving Manassas and Manassas Park, we're local plumbers who care about getting your plumbing back on track. Whatever your plumbing needs, we're ready to help. Just call us today.